It's Aika and welcome back to another vlog. So before I start with everything, I want to give you guys an update on what's been going on in my life lately. So today is a Saturday and I'm gonna take my last finals for this whole term. I'm so excited because after this we're gonna have a 2-week vacation. Goodbye online classes, bye bye, see you in 2 weeks. So I have a lot of things planned. I'm treating myself to an advanced present to myself. I'm gonna go thrifting. Well, I'm not gonna buy that much because I actually just went 2 weeks ago. I'm surrounded by a lot of thrift stores, but they're kind of expensive, so the one we're going to is a little more affordable. After that, I think I'm going to Don Quixote as well, so we're just gonna go shopping and do all that stuff. Before I leave, I just want to mention that this video is kindly sponsored by Nordgreen. Nordgreen is a Scandinavian watch brand based in Copenhagen, Denmark. Their watches are designed by Jacob Wagner, who is a well-known Danish designer, and he used to be a lead designer at B&Ho and Hey. So this is how the box looks like, and I will be doing a little unboxing for you guys. Their watches are ethically made in Danish-owned union-certified factories. Their packaging is also eco-friendly. It's made up of upcycled plastics and FSC certified cartons and carbon neutral transport. Nordgreen also has a giving back program with global NGOs like Water for Good, Pratham UK, and Cool Earth. So if you buy a watch from them, you can choose one of the 3 causes that Nordgreen supports. So this is the watch that I got. I got the one in Philosopher, but they also have other designs on their website, and I really like how timeless it looks. It's very minimalistic. They also have other shades like gunmetal, gold, but I chose the one in silver because I don't have a watch in silver, so I thought it would be nice for a change. And what I really like about Nordgreen is that their watches have interchangeable straps, so you can change the color of the straps depending on your outfit. I think it's always nice to have options, especially when it comes to watches, because they're kind of pricey, but if you can wear them in different ways, I think it's worth it. The one I got is in this brown leather material, and I got this because it's very simple and it's perfect for that casual kind of day. Christmas is also fast approaching, so if you're looking for a gift to give your loved one, your mom, your dad, your boyfriend, your sister, your siblings, then definitely check out Nordgreen because they have a lot of designs that I'm sure will suit their style. I'm gonna put all the links in the description box, all the discount codes, and the link to the watch that I got. Once again, thank you Nordgreen for sponsoring today's video. So this is the outfit for today. I have on this black tank top. I love the contrast between the black and the white. I'm wearing it with these like light beige shorts that I got recently. So it's kind of big on me, but I didn't want to wear a belt with it because it has this cute detail in front. So I'm wearing like a shoelace to tie it all at the back. I just have on my leopard bag, my watch from Nordgreen to tie everything together. I'm also wearing a jacket because I don't want to get weird looks again from strangers outside. Good morning, sunshine. We just got to the thrift store. For today, I'm challenging myself to only spend 1,000 yen because whenever I go thrifting, I usually spend around 3,000 yen, which isn't that much because of course it's just secondhand and it's not really that expensive. I don't really need that many clothes, so 1,000 yen is a good budget.
Cutting wires from the inside out. Myself together again. I'm gonna move out of my parents' house. Every summer it's the same, and I know that
seems like it was made for me. So I'm gonna be doing a mini haul and a style with me at the end of the video, so make sure to keep watching. We just finished thrifting and we stopped by a ramen place. I'm so excited because the food here is super duper good.
If you miss me while I'm taking I'm gonna call you while I'm on the moon. If you never hear my name, if you never see my face, tell me everything's okay.
Made my matcha and I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I got. Super proud of myself because I didn't go over my budget. My total was 700 something yen. That's around like 300 to 400 in the Philippines. After thrifting, I always try out the stuff that I got and mix and match it with the stuff from my closet. So I'm gonna do that with you guys. I already own a pair of white mom jeans, but when I saw this one at the kids area, I think the fit would be better than the one I have. And when I tried it on, sis, the fit was so good, like 10 out of 10. Got this one for 100 yen. 100 yen, 50 pesos for white jeans. I decided to pair it with this leopard top. I want it to be cropped, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fold it here in front, and then at the back I will tie it with a black hair tie, like so, and then I'm just gonna put it inside. And that is how you transform any type of shirt into a crop top. For my accessories, I have this heart necklace and my Nordgreen watch. And to top it all off, I will be using this bubblegum pink bag. I also found this low-waisted, like pinstriped jeans, and not jeans, parang, what do you call this? Office pants. The material is really nice. At first, I thought this outfit was a little too like badass, IG baddie kind of vibe, so I added this leopard bag. Anything that you put with this leopard bag makes it look really cute and stylish. This one is super duper cute. I got this tank top, lime green tank top. It says blow pop. Also got this one from the kids area. It was like 2 for 150 yen. I paired it with the shorts that I was wearing a while ago. It would look really good with this like bubblegum pink bag because it matches the fit, but since I wore this a while ago, I think the silver hardware matches with the silver watch and my silver jewelry. The second item that I got from the 2 for 150 yen area was this one. Gives off that tomboy kind of vibe. So for the next outfit, I know it's a little too revealing than the ones a while ago, but I was like changing my clothes and I realized that the bra that I was wearing can be used as a top. I know it looks really funky, kind of weird, but I'm planning to crop it till here, so it would be like a mini skirt. This is how I styled the skirt. I cut the bottom part already just so you guys can see my vision for the skirt. There's definitely like some crooked lines down here, but I'm gonna go and sew it later. Let me know in the comments down below which outfit was your favorite. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and I'll see you all on my next one. Bye guys!